One of the biggest questions new parents ask is, how often should I feed my newborn? The short answer is, whenever your baby shows signs of hunger. Newborns have tiny stomachs and need frequent feedings to support healthy growth and development. During the first few weeks, most newborns feed 8 to 12 times every 24 hours, or about every 2 to 3 hours. Some babies may want to eat even more often, especially during growth spurts. This is completely normal and helps establish a healthy milk supply if you're breastfeeding. Breastfed babies. Breastfed newborns usually feed every 2 to 3 hours, although some may nurse every 1.5 to 2 hours, especially in the evening. Breast milk is easily digested, so breastfed babies often become hungry sooner than formula-fed babies. Formula-fed newborns typically eat every 3 to 4 hours because formula takes longer to digest. During the first week, babies usually drink 1 to 2 ounces, 30 to 60 milliliters, per feeding. By the end of the first month, many babies take 3 to 4 ounces, 90 to 120 milliliters, per feeding. Watch for hunger cues rather than waiting for your baby to cry. Look for early hunger signs such as smacking or licking lips, opening the mouth, rooting, turning the head toward touch, sucking on hands or fingers, becoming more alert or active. Crying is often a late hunger cue, so feeding earlier can make nursing or bottle feeding easier. Should you wake a sleeping newborn? Yes, if your newborn is under 2 weeks old, hasn't regained their birth weight, or your healthcare provider recommends it, you may need to wake them every 2 to 3 hours for feeding. Once your baby is gaining weight well, many pediatricians allow longer stretches of sleep at night. Growth spurts mean more feeding. Your baby may suddenly want to feed more often during growth spurts, which commonly happen around 7 to 10 days, 2 to 3 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, 3 months. Frequent feeding during these times is normal and temporary. How do you know your baby is getting enough? Signs your newborn is feeding well include at least 6 wet diapers per day after the first week, regular dirty diapers, steady weight gain, appearing satisfied after most feedings, being alert when awake. Final thoughts: every baby is different, so avoid comparing your newborn to others. Feeding on demand, watching hunger cues, and keeping regular pediatric checkups are the best ways to ensure your baby is getting enough nutrition. If you ever have concerns about feeding frequency, weight gain, or milk supply, consult your pediatrician or a certified lactation consultant.